Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a blender. A blender is a versatile kitchen tool that can help you create delicious and smooth meals, smoothies, and even desserts. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your blender. First, you'll need to choose the right blender for your needs. There are different types of blenders, such as blenders for soups, blenders for smoothies, and blenders for mixing and chopping. Consider what you want to make and choose a blender that fits your needs. Step 2. Fill and attach the blender. Once you've chosen your blender, fill it with the ingredients for your recipe. Make sure the ingredients are broken up or chopped into small pieces to make it easier for the blender to mix. Then attach the blender to your kitchen appliance or container. Step 3. Turn on the blender. Plug the blender in and turn it on. Make sure the blender is on the correct setting for your recipe. This will usually be a number between 1 and 6, representing the speed of the blender. Higher numbers represent faster speeds, and lower numbers represent slower speeds. Step 4. Blend your ingredients. With the blender on, start blending your ingredients. Depending on the recipe, you may need to blend the ingredients for a few minutes until they reach the desired consistency. Once you've reached the desired consistency, stop the blender and remove the ingredients from the blender. Step 5. Pour or serve your recipe. Now that your recipe is blended, pour or serve it as desired. You can use a ladle or a cup to pour your recipe into a container. For smoothies and drinks, you can serve immediately from the blender. And that's it. Using a blender is simple and can help you create delicious and healthy meals and snacks. Give it a try and see what kinds of delicious recipes you can come up with.